we changed our first ever spark plugs ever, man. Yo, this is feeling like a Ferrari. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, you dirty little bitch. For today's video, it looks like I'm bloody in an igloo. Look at this, we got bloody snow on the windscreen. It is absolutely covered. Let's do a little extremely quick montage of snow like you've never seen it before. Let's go, 3, 2, 1. I said it would be quick. For today's video, in my pocket right here, we've actually randomly got 3 spark plugs. If you guys didn't know, I literally started working on my car like 7 months ago. I honestly, continuously say that. But pretty much, this is gonna be my first time ever changing spark plugs in my car, let alone any car. Yeah, spark plug change today. Anyway, this is gonna be a short video. Let's crack open the bonnet and let's work on the bad boy whip. Here is the engine, and this is where we're going to be changing the spark plug. I don't know if it needs changing, however I'm going to change it anyway, just so that the new owner has beautiful new spark plugs. They will have new oil, everything, the whole shebang. Right, I know that there's going to be one person who's like,
literally I can change these spark plugs with one eye shut and my dick in a camel.
But pretty much this is genuinely my first time ever doing spark plugs, so this is quite scary for me. Also, I think these videos are quite entertaining for you lot because it shows you lot that you can actually do it. Because if I can do it, you guys can fucking definitely do it because I'm a spaz. So we've got a nice little sit-in place for all the spark plugs right here. We basically need to take this cover off and then we can get to the spark plugs. Right boys, just got a little bit of a quick interruption. I'm just letting you guys know that we have now got Ricer Boys fucking stickers on the website. Now basically, if you guys want to cop one, you can cop 3. Hold on, 1, 2, 3. You can cop 3 for £3, so £1 each, banging. It will help the channel out a lot financially. Or if you want to go ahead and buy like a lanyard or a key ring, you actually get 1 free. So pretty much, if you want just stickers, you buy them. If you want a sticker that's free with a lanyard or something, go cop one. Anyway, back to the video. I did not even know you could take this off until I researched this. Oh, there you go. Mate, I can eat my dinner off this. Right, so this is actually the first time I'm ever uncovering this. I'm going to give it a quick wipe down because there's a lot of dirt on it and we don't want any dirt falling into the, what is it called? The spark plug wells. So now that that's all wiped down, we've got 2 bolts right here that are holding it in. We unscrew that and then we yank it out. Actually, we need to unplug a thing that we pull out, I think. There you go. And then we push that down, I think. There you go. Now there's no more power going to the spark plugs because that is the power kind of thing, I think. Honestly, not 100% sure. I might just blew the engine up. It's actually jokes doing this because I literally don't know what I'm doing. 2 bolts now, and then we can lift the spark plug and the coil pack out. Another one out. Pretty much now what I think I'm going to do is just give that one more wipe down. And then basically, I think you just yank this out. Got it. Nice. There you go. There is the coil pack, I believe. This is what provides the power, I believe. I don't really know, to be honest, but happy days. You guys tell me, but I think that is where the spark plugs are kept. And I don't want to keep this open for too long because I don't want any snow or anything falling in there. So I'm going to do this quite quickly. We're going to work on one at a time. But first, what we've got to do is we've got to check to see if they're both the same. So I'm going to take one out, put it up together, see if they're the same. Got one. Boy, look at that. Right, they both look pretty much the same. This one's a little bit, the new one is a little bit taller. I don't know if that's gonna be a problem, but we'll see. We'll fucking shove it in and we'll see if my energy blows up. There you go. One spark plug in. Right, we're on the last 2 spark plugs right now. I'm hoping that these spark plugs are right. They're the right gap. They're 9mm, I think, for a VAUXHALL. The gap between the electrode and the, I don't know, the bibbly bobbly bullshit tip is 9mm, and that is what, or 0.9mm, and that is what this is. Cool, there's another one. Right then, let me just go. Coil pack is now on. I'm sorry that this filming is so terrible, but obviously this is my first time doing it. I'm quite nervous, to be honest. We've got a coil pack back on, so hopefully no dirt will get onto the spark plugs now. I think that's all tightened down. Now we just need the 2 screws here. Plug this back in and we can put the cover back on and we can try and see if it works. Hopefully this will make my car a little smoother, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't even know if they need changing. They looked fine, but let's see. And then last but not least, I'm just going to plug that pedal back in. Right, so let's actually try and turn this car back on. The engine cover is slightly on, but I'm just hoping that we've installed this 100% properly. And when we turn this car on, it'll be nice and good. Let's listen. I think we've done it. Hold on, let's just let the engine run for a little bit. Bam! Changing the first spark plugs ever. Bumbleclot! Hold on, let's have a nice sit down, because I think if you change the spark plugs it should feel very nice and smooth. Shut up, lady! I might be wrong, but this is starting to feel like a Rolls Royce. Hey, come on! Wait, let's give it a little rev. You know what? Yo, we changed our first ever spark plugs ever, man. Yo, this is feeling like a Ferrari. You know what? I genuinely can feel a difference. Hold on, let me put my foot down again. Oh shit! I really did not think that there'd be a difference. New business venture 2021. I'm basically a mechanic. Yo, if you want your spark plug change, if you want your blinker fucking fluid change, I can fucking do it all. Right, my first ever spark plug change will be done. I'm basically Neil Armstrong right now. Fuck you doing here?
I'm driving.
You can drive a fucking mobility scooter.
Oh, Jesus!
Back to the spark plug. Literally, it's the next day or something, so I'm gonna give the car a little bit of a test drive. This is what you want to do. I don't know if my car's gonna blow up, so we're both gonna be our guinea pigs for this. You don't know this, but. Yo, I turned the car on yesterday.
Joking,
it was fine. Listen, ready? Let's listen.
If this car explodes, I will.
You'll be dead. Perfect. Bro, these are a Bosch spark plug. This is what I'm saying.
Have you not drove this since you've put the new ones in?
No, so we might crash. The brakes, because I haven't driven this car in so long. You know what? I can't tell a difference. I think, this is what I said in the video, but I cut it out because I was like, that does not make sense. When I put my foot, before with the old spark plugs, I could feel a lot of vibration in the accelerator pedal. I don't know if that's a placebo effect, but yo, it's quite smooth actually.
I can't tell the difference.
It's a very subtle thing. I'm not saying it's dramatic, like I've upgraded. Dramatic, that's a word.
No, it's not. It's dramatic. It's not a drastic change.
Drastic change. Drastic park. It's not a drastic change. I think it is fair to say I can feel a difference. They didn't need changing.
Why did you change it?
I don't know. Well, I'm getting rid of the car, so I want the next car. I want the car to be fresh for the next owner. Very smooth. I don't know if it was that smooth before, but Bentley Continental vibes. I like it. We haven't blown up yet, which is cool.
Perfect.
Please somebody tell me what spark plugs actually do. I know it's actually a very key component to the car, because that's what ignites the fuel, I think, Chloe. Alright, cheers for coming, Chloe. So that is, unfortunately, it for changing spark plugs. These are the old ones. What brand are they? GM. I don't know if they're a good brand, but I went for Bosch. My Bosch ones were a little bit more higher than these ones. Tiny bit higher. But I don't know if that will cause a problem. Anyway, I don't give a fuck. They said they fit my car, and a lot of other people said they fit my car in the comments. So anyway, guys, I want to say a huge thank you to you lot for watching today's video. Hopefully, you guys get a little bit of inspiration to do your spark plugs yourself. Honestly, I love working on my car. I love being able to do this, and then afterwards, you actually see the difference, and it's like, fucking hell. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff, and subscribe if you motherfuckers are new and you did enjoy. If you didn't enjoy, don't subscribe and fuck off. But yeah, I'm so gassed, mate. Trust me. You know what? When you do these little things by yourself, it makes you feel so good. Bro, it actually does. Little things like changing the spark plugs, that's something that people do on a daily basis. But for me, yeah, that's gas. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you faces in my next video. All right?